Hello YouTube. I'm just going to show off this 30-year-old water heater. This is a Rheem Glass Fury. Manufacture date was October 18th, 1983. It's a 36,000 BTU unit at 50 US gallons. Its install date was November 23rd, 1983, and today's date is November 23rd, 2013. So today's the 30th anniversary of its install date. I haven't touched nor altered or made any repairs to this unit since I acquired it in 1995. Notice on the top that the temperature pressure relief valve connection is on top of the unit, where on the newer units they're located on the side. Notice the 3-inch flue pipe. Currently, now with the new gas codes in the NFPA, they require 4-inch. Notice that this vertical draft diverter doesn't have a taper for a 4-inch flue pipe. Notice that this unit doesn't have a dielectric nipple on both sides of the cold water inlet and hot water outlet. And notice the 3/4 inch globe valve with the drip on the bonnet. You know what they say, the shoemaker's shoes are never done. Now on an adjacent unit, my spare backup, notice the dielectric nipple. And the temperature pressure relief valve tapping on the side. And notice that the vertical draft diverter is applicable for a 4-inch flue pipe, and here's your 3-inch flue pipe. When I install heaters, I cut this top off so this way further down the line nobody would retrofit for the 3-inch flue pipe. Inside the heater is a baffling, and what that does is it impedes the flue gases from escaping out the chimney, and it keeps the heat longer inside the unit for heat transfer. Well, there you have it. My personal preference is a Rheem Glass Fury. My backup heater, the price was right, and it fell off the truck. See the dents on it? Wink wink. Falling off the truck. Okay, there it is, the Rheem Glass Fury, 30th anniversary of its install date, and thanks for watching.